Is this the dumbass meme song, dude? You gotta stop queuing this. I hate this song. Alright. Oh, this is a good one. You have another piece of shit image? No, unless it's like really small, I'm not gonna add another one, dude. Sure, I'll look what it is. I might do it if it's a good enough image. I know you can shrink them, but like, there's no point if I've shrunk it down to. This is a pretty good run. Oh, I fucked up. Can't believe I went the wrong way, dude. This is gonna be a slow map too. That wasn't too bad. Even with a really garbage portal, I didn't lose that much time. This is a really good portal. Yeah, don't use the random one. I found it to be really bad. It queues some literal garbage. So, I mean, I prefer if you just found an actual YouTube link, unless you know what it's actually gonna queue. God, so many fucking oranges, dude. Like, for real, normally I have issues with getting an amethyst. This time, apparently not. Got another red. The reason I switched back is because items that you leave on the ground will eventually despawn. Oh my god. And I do want to pick up that key. I'm gonna get 1 or 2 more stacks of... Oh my god. That was really poor. Really slow there. Well, I mean, it wasn't the slowest thing ever, but, you know. I want it to be faster. I need more attack speed right now. I'm lacking a lot of attack speed. Which is sad, but I am. Nothing. Oh my god. It's pretty cool. That was really good, actually. No bird spawns. Normally I get totally fucked by bird spawns in the level. I pressed Q there. I'm sort of in desperate need for whites right now, though. As fast as I want to go. But, like, seriously, like, what happened to all the whites? Like, for real. It's all greens this turn. Like, which is normally fine. I like greens, but, like, I need some whites to go along with that. I need the attack speed to go with all these missiles. There we go. Why did I get so low on health? There's the last chest. This is gonna be the last chest I get this level. Cool, another white. That's 3 syringes, which is really bad. But it'll do it. It'll have to do it. I'm sure you're in a desperate need of whites. No spawns, dude? Holy shit, this is gonna be a really good run. Ooh, it's sub 10, boys. What the fuck? Dude, that run was sick. Holy shit. That was so good, dude. That was my first run coming home and I'm tired as fuck. That was just a really solid run.